Hey guys, so guess what just got delivered? I am super excited. I have not even had 5 minutes with this on hand and I'm just ready to rip it open. So I did just go ahead and slice it open and let's go ahead and check out what's in here. I cannot believe this. This is so beautiful and I'm never good with just tearing it nicely. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. And I already love the tissue paper. I think it's so pretty. So let's go ahead and take all of this out so we can get rid of this box. So there's that. And then here is the storage little container. And these are so easy to set up. So let's actually just do this really quick. I love the one from the last one because it was so neutral. And of course, I love this one as well. Like, how pretty are these flowers? They're just so gorgeous. So all we're gonna do is kind of open it. And it has this adhesive right over here. And so we just wanna go ahead and peel this up, and that way we are able to just stick it down. So it's pretty easy. And now we can go ahead and do this. So just open it and right about there. All right, perfect. So I already love this. I loved that they included one in the last box. So I love that it came with this one. And as you know, this one is their 5-year anniversary. So I love this and I love the whole theme of this one. So neutral and so pretty. So here's this one. And of course, they always include this. And this one just states what is included in here. So that's always nice. I have kept all of the ones, all of the Be Happy box ones that I have. I haven't gotten all of them, but the ones that I do have, I have always kept this one. And so here it is. This is exactly why I wanted to get this box. Of course, these black metal discs are all that I talk about sometimes. I just wish they would really sell these separately, but I bet after this box, I really hope and wish that they do sell them separately. They would sell so well. So of course, I had to get this box because of the black metal discs. I currently have the ones that I grabbed from Supermom, which was about 2 years ago in my social media planner. And I'll go ahead and show you guys really quick. I have the black metal discs with this hard black snap-in cover. I think it's a great combination, super neutral. So I have these ones, and of course I had to just get another set just in case I want another planner with black metal discs. Now I have them on hand, but I just love this. So this was the main reason why I grabbed the box. And then of course the other reason are all of the stickers that are included. So of course they're neutral and I love that. And let's kind of take a quick little look. I know there's been a lot of unboxing and flip throughs already, so I'm not going to go much into detail. So let's get that one out of the way. And so the little sticker pad, and I don't really own too many of these. I think the one that I grabbed was, which one was it? Oh, I can't remember right now, but those ones fit the dashboard layout pretty well. And that may be the only other little sticker pack that I have. So I don't have too many of these, especially because I know I'll forget about them. But these are so pretty. Look at them. So some are like double boxes and some are single. So I love that they did a mixture of that. I love that. Ooh, like the white, the black, and the gold. So pretty. This double box. How pretty is that? And single boxes, and then just this one. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that one. Let's go ahead and check out the functional. So just a quick little flip through. So some icons right here. These circles, the traditional boxes with gold in there. I'm not a big fan of gold, but I think a little bit is okay. And I love these right here, outlined in black. That's very pretty. And let's see, laundry, chore day. Those are cute. Meal prep, shop. Some more of these. These are cute. I love that. Celebrate, appointment, hexagons. Oh, these are cute. And are these clear? Yes, they are. Okay, so you can tell right away which one are the clear ones. They just have a different feel to them. So that's new. Those are clear. So some more of these arched boxes. I love these ones. When I used to use the teacher layout, I would cut them down to size and just cover the whole left-hand side of that teacher layout so then I could redate at the top. So I love those ones. Some black, get it done, some hearts, and I did see some hexagons. So then just these ones, some circles. Perfect. Some today for your monthly view. And if you don't use them there, you can just cover up this little cutout for the date and maybe add like one of these, and then you have something layered. So I love those. And so we have these boxes, these today, and even these smiley ones are so neutral. Okay, perfect. So I love this one. And then let's check out the florals. Like, this already looks so pretty. So let's see. Oh, I love these. And they even have the outline here. And some of these circles. I love that they're using more circles. So those are always good. And then some layered boxes, just like in layered florals. So they did that here as well. So that's perfect. A day off, appointment, due today. And then is this washi? Yes, it is. So some washi over here, hexagons. These are paperback. And then again for that monthly cutout. And I love these right here. These are clear. So those are perfect for your headers. The flowers, look at these, how pretty. I love this one because it's just, it has more black in there than this one. So I love that. Perfect. Some more boxes, some quotes. Ooh, this is so pretty right here. I love that. I cannot wait to dive into these stickers. I am so ready to do next week's spread using all of these. I think they're gonna look great. Then some gold headers. So it doesn't have a lot of gold, which is what I was afraid of. So it's not too bad. Just a little bit of gold here and there, but it's not the main color. So I love that. And there we are. Okay, I am so ready to dive into these ones. So make sure you stay tuned. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell to all. That way you know when I'm uploading anything new. But I cannot wait. And these classic metal discs, I love them, and I am so ready to start planning using these stickers. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.